Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can someone cancel a Venmo payment? This is a question that a lot of people have, especially if they've accidentally sent money to the wrong person or if they've changed their mind about a purchase. So, the answer is yes, you can cancel a Venmo payment. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. In this video, I'm going to go over the steps you need to take to cancel a Venmo payment, as well as some of the things you need to keep in mind. What is Venmo? Before we get into the steps of canceling a Venmo payment, let's first talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or send money to someone for a birthday gift. How to cancel a Venmo payment? If you need to cancel a Venmo payment, there are a few steps you can take. Open the Venmo app. Tap on the Activity tab. Find the payment you want to cancel. Tap on the Cancel button. Confirm that you want to cancel the payment. Once you have canceled the payment, the money will be refunded to your account. Things to keep in mind. There are a few things to keep in mind when you cancel a Venmo payment. You can only cancel a payment if it is pending. You cannot cancel a payment that has already been processed. If you cancel a payment, the recipient will be notified. If you cancel a payment, you may be charged a fee. What to do if you can't cancel a Venmo payment? If you can't cancel a Venmo payment, there are a few other things you can do. Contact the recipient of the payment and ask them to cancel it. Contact Venmo customer support and ask them to cancel the payment. If the payment was made to a business, you can contact the business and ask them to cancel the payment. In conclusion, it is possible to cancel a Venmo payment, but there are a few things you need to keep in mind. If you need to cancel a Venmo payment, be sure to do it as soon as possible. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to answer them.